What is the easiest way to learn Java programming?
It won't stop the updates of the Java Updater.
Since Java is constantly changing, I see learning Java programming as a good source of long-term employment prospects.
Especially given how Java server pages are a new standard for fast, mass internet connections, being implemented by Walmart.com and other sites. If you have JSP, you might as well put Java apps on the server side for everything else too.
I do not know whether or not to say that's the spirit, but I know there is a good pay raise in it.
You could go to the Stanford Engineering Everywhere site to get an Introduction to Engineering course.
I cannot afford to take Java classes at the local junior college, much less Stanford.
Stanford Engineering Everywhere, also called SEE, is free. It has lectures on Java in general, object-oriented programming, Java objects and methods, and some basic programs.
I hope it is more than the standard Hello World program.
More like generating graphics, rolling dice, creating bouncing ball images, and so forth.
If it is an introduction to computer science, there is probably a lot of content there, not related to Java.
So go to the MIT OpenCourseware site, and take the Introduction to Programming in Java. That's specific to Java.
I heard they had a lot of programming classes.
They have general lessons on introductions to scientific programming, to courses on animation and graphics, to general concepts of how to design a program.
I suppose it is a little more complicated than program name, a few lines of code, and an ending of the end.
Udemy has a low free tutorial on the basics of Java.
Udemy usually charges you for the good content.
Go to the netbeans.org site. They have a web page under Documents and Support on free resources for learning Java.
I'd hope so, since that is the user community homepage for Java, outside of StackOverflow.com.
It has links to the Java Development Kit or JDK, and the NetBeans IDE, the Integrated Development Environment. Would you really need to have to code in Java on your computer?
Because unlike JavaScript, you cannot just edit Java within the browser to learn about it.
You can also go to the Oracle.com site's Java Programming Center.
Why would I want to go to Oracle for Java help?
Because Oracle developed Java. They have the basics like the Hello World program in Java, and training resources.
I know Oracle training classes cost a lot.
And so do the Java classes through Oracle, but you can also get Java certification from Oracle University.
If I had a crystal ball, I'd say that Oracle's certification does not help me in the workplace, unless my prior job history says I swapped out hard drives, or asked if you'd like fries with that.
You could always hit the library for Java by idiots, dummies and dingbats.
There is no Dingbat series of books.
Not yet, but all the other Dumbo titles have been taken.